Have you ever felt stuck? No matter what you do in life, progress seems out of reach. Let's change that, starting today. As we approach the end of the year, it's natural to reflect on how quickly time flies. It seems like just yesterday we were setting resolutions and dreaming about what we wanted to achieve in the coming months. But now, looking back, it can feel like we haven't made as much progress as we hoped. We might wonder, did I accomplish what I set out to do? Did I grow as I intended? Often, the answer might be no, which can be disheartening. But remember, change is always within reach. You don't need to wait for a new year to start over. With the right approach and determination, you can radically transform your life in just 1 year. Today, I'll share some strategies that have worked for me and that I believe can work for you as well. Imagine completely transforming your life within a single year. This concept might seem ambitious, but it's entirely possible with the right mindset and strategy. Set clear, actionable goals and dedicate yourself to making consistent progress. This isn't just about making superficial changes. It's about deep, meaningful transformations that can redefine your life. By committing to a focused plan and leveraging the power of time, you can achieve remarkable results. One of the biggest challenges is pushing through resistance. It's something everyone faces, whether you're too tired to hit the gym or procrastinating on a task that seems overwhelming. The key is to take action even when motivation wanes. Often, the hardest part is starting. Once you make that initial effort, the rest becomes easier. Each time you overcome resistance, you build mental strength and reinforce your commitment to your goals. This process of pushing through barriers is where true growth happens. Adapting your self-improvement journey to suit your preferences can make a huge difference. If a particular habit feels like a chore, try modifying it to make it more enjoyable. For instance, if running isn't your thing, consider a dance class or hiking instead. If reading daily feels too time-consuming, switch to audiobooks you can listen to while commuting or doing chores. Customizing your approach not only makes the process more pleasant, but also increases your chances of sticking with it. Instead of attempting to overhaul every aspect of your life, your health, career, relationships, finances, it's more effective to concentrate on one major goal. This focus allows you to direct all your energy and effort into making that single change. For example, if improving your health is your priority, commit to establishing a consistent exercise routine. Or, if financial security is key, work on a specific savings plan. By honing in on one area, you avoid burnout and increase your likelihood of success. Big goals can be daunting, so breaking them into small, manageable habits is essential. It's the daily actions that lead to substantial change over time. For instance, if you aim to write a book, start by committing to writing 300 words a day. If your goal is to enhance your fitness, begin with a simple routine like a 10-minute walk each morning or a few 30-minute weekly workouts. Focusing on daily habits makes progress more attainable and builds discipline, showing that consistency is more important than perfection. Embracing the journey of self-improvement is crucial. Often, people become fixated on the end result, the weight loss, promotion, or savings goal, without appreciating the process. Growth happens in the everyday grind, through small victories and even setbacks. For example, if you're working on getting fit, concentrate on how good it feels to move your body and how your energy levels improve. By valuing these daily successes, you'll stay motivated and engaged in your journey. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found these tips helpful. Remember, transformation is a journey, and every step counts. Catch you in the next one. Until then, stay motivated and keep pushing forward.